Nvidia just sent a shockwave through the entire chip sector. Second quarter results beat on both lines, and the stock jumped 7.2% in pre-market trading. After 4 straight quarters of selling off after earnings, this print broke the streak. Adjusted earnings per share came in at $2.22, easily beating the 2.09 Wall Street expected. Total revenue hit $96.2 billion, well above the $92.3 billion analysts projected. Let that sink in. This was not a squeaker, it was a beat on every line that matters. Data center revenue hit $89 billion, topping the $85.8 billion projection, and hyperscale revenue more than doubled. Enterprise and industrial customers drove $40.3 billion in sales, up 138% from a year ago. And edge computing delivered $7.2 billion against the $6.6 billion expected. What really reset expectations was guidance. Nvidia projects third quarter revenue between $105.8 billion and $110.1 billion, and the CFO says the company expects 70% revenue growth for fiscal 2028. Jensen Huang put it in 3 words: compute is revenue, and right now the build-out is at full steam. One earnings print lifted the entire industry. Micron rose 4.5%, Marvell jumped 5.7%, ARM added 4.7%, Intel gained 3%, and AMD added 1.7%. Neo-cloud names went further, Nebius up 7.5%, CoreWeave up 6%. Here is why the surge matters. Over the prior 10 days, Nvidia shares were down 6.82%, and the broader tech sector was down 3.93%. Just last month, chip stocks shed $1 trillion in market value before recovering. The market needed a signal, it got one. Huang says AI has reached its inflection point. Last year, a single lab drove the build-out. Today, demand is diversified across the United States and around the world. Vera Rubin is in full production, and for the first time ever, Nvidia is forecasting a full year in advance. So here is the question that matters. Demand is proven. Can supply keep up? Huang says demand is far greater than even that projected 70% growth. But Nvidia is constrained on how much product it can supply. Taiwan Semiconductor, its main manufacturer, faces supply constraints and memory chips remain in short supply. What matters next? 1. Watch Taiwan Semiconductor's capacity. Every Nvidia chip runs through it. 2. Track memory chip availability, a key bottleneck. 3. Watch custom silicon from hyperscalers and OpenAI. And 4. The reported $12.9 billion Hugging Face acquisition, which could pull Nvidia deep into the software ecosystem. At the time this video was made, Nvidia trades near $209.66. That is the line our desk is watching as the stock digests these gains. Moves like this are exactly why a plan matters. At Start with TA.com, you get daily market briefings, real trade setups, and the levels that matter before the crowd sees them. Start your journey at Start with TA.com. The link is below. That's the briefing. Subscribe for daily market analysis from the Traders Agency team. This is education, not financial advice. Trade smart.